ladies and gentlemen. I am going to teach you guys how to make this pipe cleaner cupcake. You have your template here. You're going to need one long brown pipe cleaner, half a pipe cleaner of your choice of colors, half of a pink one, and a quarter of a green one. This one is 12 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches, and 3 inches. We are going to start off with the brown one. You're going to come here where it says start. Place your pipe cleaner down, and then bend it here, bend it here, and then follow the zigzags. There we go. And now we're going to take the ends of the pipe cleaner and we're going to twist them around each other. There is the cupcake liner. Now you are going to choose whatever color icing you want. I'm going to go with yellow icing. I'm going to connect this. I'm going to bend it right here and give it a twist. I'm going to curve it over like this, capture it, and give it a twist right here. And there is the icing from a cupcake. It's a little bit smaller, but that's okay. Alright, now I'm going to take the pink one. I'm going to loop it through the icing. And then right here, I'm going to give it a twist so that I know it stays in place. And now I'm going to shape this into a circle. So it's like the cherry on the top. Now I'm going to twist the pipe cleaners together. And give it a good little shape. There we go. And now I'm going to take the stem, put it through the cherry, fold it up, and twist it. And then I want to give my stem a little bit of a curve. And there is my pipe cleaner cupcake. Happy creating!